Hi, my name is Otelia Cassidy, and I own Madison Eats Food Tours in Madison, Wisconsin. One aspect of my company is offering destination culinary vacations, and the Yucatan Peninsula in Mexico is one of the places we travel. One of the best ways to connect with people when you travel is through food. That's something we all share. We all need to eat and can enjoy food together, even if you don't speak the same language. So this culinary vacation really is a way to connect and experience a real Mexico through different food experiences. What's really important to me in this experience is that people have a chance to really work with and meet and learn from the local people here. So along the way in Valladolid, for example, we learn how to make tamales from the local Mayan women, how to make panuchos and tortillas, and we even do a home visit to a local herbalist. We travel to a bee farm where we learn from a Mayan farmer who lives on the land how they preserve their sacred Mayan bees. Chef from Mexico City who comes and teaches us a cooking class, sort of a fusion of elevated cuisine with traditional indigenous techniques. Of course, we have the beautiful ocean we can enjoy either from the comfort of our beachfront house, or we can head down to the beach, which has been voted one of the most beautiful beaches in the world. We limit the number of guests on our culinary vacation to 8 so that we can really, truly, intimately enjoy the beauty and the culture and the food of the Yucatan Peninsula. For more information, or if you want to find out when the next dates are that we're traveling to the Yucatan, you can visit Madison Eats Food